If you are stepping into the world of programmatic advertising, or just looking for a smarter way to manage your digital campaigns, you are in the right place. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, the place where tech meets clarity. In today's video, we are diving into Quantcast, a powerful demand-side platform, or DSP, that helps marketers plan, activate, and optimize digital campaigns using real-time audience insights and AI-driven targeting. Whether you're a digital marketing pro or just starting out, this video will walk you through on how to set up your first campaign, analyze results, and optimize your performance using Quantcast's unique AI technology. So grab your coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let the programmatic advertising one click at a time. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Quantcast. You have an option to log in using your credentials, but the better option is to click the Try Quantcast. If you do, what will happen is you will receive a welcome email from Quantcast to activate your account. All you have to do is click the small button right here that would forward you to the main dashboard. Alright? And then loading times may vary. So at this point, if you're not accessing the website or having issues, you might want to use a VPN because Quantcast is employing a thing called geo-restriction on specific areas and region. So right now, we're gonna click the 10 and click the submit button or just skip it. Once you are on the Quantcast, you have all these sections for you. The drop-down menu gives you all these, alright? Now within the measure drop-down menu, you have the audiences. Now within the measure, okay, so this gives you, if I click on it, the organization's access and structure within Quantcast. So you can assign teams and roles and permissions, alright? That's one thing. Now, we're going to skip this and you see there's going to be the network data and of course the ad property. We're going to click the ad property and you need to enter your site URL. For example, www.quantcast.com. In our case, we're going to be using an example of youtube.com. All right. Essentially, this is not our website, but this is just an example. All right. So in this property, primarily directed at children under 16. So we're not going to do that. I'm going to click the submit your site. What will happen is, you see, Quantcast uses cookies to directly measure your audience. Right now, we have this P code. You can use that later, or you can choose the appropriate service. If you have a Google Tag Manager account, or if you are using that for your organization, you might want to ask your admin. So you're going to be having the access to it. Otherwise, if you're using WordPress, you can do that. Blogger, Drupal, Joomla, Squarespace, Shopify, and Wix. You have all these integrations seemingly to connect Quantcast. But you can also install it manually because Quantcast uses an asynchronous JavaScript tag that loads in the background. It won't slow down your website, alright? You simply add the tag to your website's footer right here. We're going to copy that tag and click on done. So that's one way. Now, if you want to get your tag, again, you just have to copy this. And make sure that it is the enable enhancement matching is ticked, so you can use it right here. Now on the top corner, you have the unnamed organization. All right, so you have two accounts. You can search this, and you can view all. With this, you can simply go to the account section. You will be forwarded to the account if you have many accounts here in this section right now. So we're using the youtube.com as an example. If you want to view the network report, but the thing is, the report will become available when a tag site has enough quantifiable traffic to be measured. Since we don't have any website yet, we're not going to be having all this information available to you, right? That's going to be our profile. And of course, if you wanted to get more notifications, you would have all these. Now, for example, if you want to use the Google Tag Manager, you will be forwarded here, all right? Now, these are going to be the instructions on how to implement Quantcast Measure server-side with Google Tag Manager. I highly suggest you go here so you get more information about the documentation, measure, getting started, measure setup, and the third-party implementations. There's a lot to go here, all right? And then the next is, say for example, you want to use WordPress, you will be forwarded to a new page wherein you still get to have the documentation readily for you, all right? Implementing Quantcast measure with WordPress. All I have to do is follow the on-screen instructions, and there's going to be the option here at the top to try Quantcast. You will be forwarded here, all right? So again, if you want to add your property, you are welcome to do that by offering the website and enter your site URL, all right? Now, you see if it's under 16, you might want to make sure that the settings are correct, all right? And then that's one of the easiest way. If you feel that Quantcast is going to be the platform for you, I highly suggest you go to the main website, all right? Go to the platform and go to the plan. Why? Because the plan offers a tailored fit solution depending on your budget and needs. I want you to click the book a demo because the pricing plans are not publicly available. Instead, you need to provide all the information needed here, and then one of the sales experts will offer a tailored fit solution depending on your budget, goals, and needs. All right? And then now, with the platforms involved and the pricing, we want to make sure that if you wanted to know more about the Quantcast, they have the advertiser, the agency, and of course the publisher, which is available to you depending on your preferences or the best representing your business model. And as you can see, Quantcast is essentially a powerful digital advertising, AI-driven audience insights and measurement platform used by marketers, advertisers, and publishers. It is here to help businesses understand, target, and grow their audiences online through data and automation. And with that being said, and that's a wrap on today's tutorial on how to use Quantcast. So it shines when it comes to AI-driven targeting, transparent insights, and ease of use, especially for marketers looking to make data-backed decisions without the complexity of traditional DSPs. But like any platform, it's not a one-size-fits-all. If you're looking for a deep customization or working with very niche segments, you might want to test its limits before going all in. Whether you're new to programmatic or just exploring smarter DSP solutions, I believe that Quantcast definitely brings something valuable to the table. Again, if you found this video helpful, give it a like, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more software tutorials and digital tools walkthroughs. If you have any questions or want us to cover another ad platform, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.